Hi, I'm Jim with Real Estate eBroker, and this is the Ojai Valley Market Watch update for the week ending March the 10th. We're still running around 146 properties on the market, and 97 of those are active, and 49 of those are contingent. And again, the question always comes up, why so many contingent offers? That, again, is based on basically a lot of those are waiting for third-party approval, which means there are a lot of short sales, waiting to get banks to approve them. That takes longer than a regular transaction. Okay, the average list price on the market right now is 1.3 million. Average days on the market running consistently around 170 days. We had a great week last week. We had 9 new listings come on the market last week with 7 single-family residences and 2 condos. And another good closed escrow week last week. We closed 9 escrows last week. The week before was 8. So if we could maintain that pace, we'd be on a monthly closing rate of about 34, 35 units, which is pretty good for this time of the year. Sold so far this year in the Ojai Valley is 48 residences, and the average price has been $354,000. The hot spot, again, is still consistently running between $300,000 and $600,000. Those properties are on the market about 94 days, between $300,000 and $600,000, compared to 170 for the overall market. And here's the interesting numbers again. 31 of the 48 properties sold so far this year here in the Ojai Valley are between $300,000 and $600,000. So right now today there's only 19 active properties between $300,000 and $600,000. That's about a 1.4 month supply. Not a lot of inventory available on that price point between 3 and 6. So again, if you're considering selling, I think now's a good time to give due consideration to it. The last thing, big news last week, obviously out of Wall Street, the Dow went through its all-time high of 14,126, I think it was. Looking at the market right now, the Dow's at 14,436, so we're 300 points over the high. That's great news for consumer confidence, everybody's 401k, and everybody's portfolio. One thing to remember, as the Dow continues to creep up, rates are going to follow it. And rates have already moved up an eighth between last week and this week. First part of last week, the 30-year fixed mortgage was 3.625, and today it's 3 3/4. So just keep your eye on the pulse there, keep your hand on the pulse, and watch rates as they move along, and as the Dow improves, rates will follow. So that's the market update for this week. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or would like to reach us, you can do that at ovhomesearch.com. Again, that's ovhomesearch.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you again next week.